Hello everyone, my name is Neil and welcome to our exam exercise walkthrough from esl-lounge.com. Today we're working through B2 First, Keyword Transformations, exercise number FCE020. Let's start with number 1. The original sentence is, Marcus started learning French 2 years ago. The keyword is learning. And the second sentence is, Marcus has blank 2 years. The correct answer is, Marcus has been learning French for 2 years. This transformation uses the present perfect continuous tense to indicate an action that started in the past and continues to the present. Has been learning French for shows the duration of the activity. Another example would be, she has been studying English for 3 years. Moving on to number 2. The original sentence is, Harry isn't here, he went to lunch 20 minutes ago. The keyword is gone. And the second sentence is, Harry isn't here, he blank lunch. The correct answer is, Harry isn't here, he has gone to lunch. This transformation uses the present perfect tense to indicate that Harry went to lunch and is still there. Has gone to shows the action and its current relevance. Another example would be, she has gone to the store. Next up, question 3. The original sentence is, do you own that phone? The keyword is yours. And the second sentence is blank. The correct answer is that phone yours? The transformation uses a possessive construction to rephrase the question, is that phone yours? Maintains the original meaning by indicating ownership. Another example would be, is that car yours? Here's question 4. The original sentence is, look at how black the sky is. There is rain arriving. The keyword is going. And the second sentence is, look at how black the sky is. It blank. The correct answer is, look at how black the sky is. It is going to rain. This transformation uses the be going to future form to indicate a prediction based on present evidence. Something we can see. Is going to rain maintains the original meaning. Another example would be, it looks like it's going to snow soon. On to question 5. The original sentence is, what a shame, there is no food left. The keyword is wish. And the second sentence is, I blank left. The correct answer is, I wish we had some food left. The transformation uses the verb wish to express a regretful desire for something that is not true. Wish we had some food conveys the same meaning as the original sentence. Another example would be, I wish it were sunny. Another possible answer for this question is, I wish there was some food left. Question 6. The original sentence is, what a shame they ate all the food. The keyword is wish. And the second sentence is, I blank all the food. The correct answer is, I wish they hadn't eaten all the food. This transformation uses wish to express regret about a past action. Wish they hadn't eaten indicates a desire for the opposite of what actually happened. Another example would be, I wish I hadn't missed the bus. Question 7. The original sentence is, the teenagers were stealing my car when I arrived. The keyword is being. And the second sentence is, my car blank teenagers when I arrived. The correct answer is, my car was being stolen by the teenagers when I arrived. This transformation uses the past continuous passive to indicate an ongoing action performed by the teenagers. Was being stolen by the maintains the focus on the car being stolen. Another example would be, the house was being painted by the workers. And now finally, question 8. The original sentence is, you use that little hammer to crack the stones. The keyword is for. And the second sentence is, this little hammer blank. The correct answer is, this little hammer is for cracking the stones. This transformation uses the phrase is for to indicate the purpose of the hammer. Is for cracking the stones maintains the original meaning. Another example would be, this tool is for cutting wood. That's all for today from esl-lounge.com. Thanks for joining me. See you next time.